Top 5 Proven Ways to Make Money Online in 2025. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 proven ways to start making money online in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services like writing, graphic design, programming, and more. The best part? You can start earning as soon as you sign up and complete your first gig. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next, we have affiliate marketing. By promoting other companies' products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Platforms like Amazon Affiliates and ShareSale make it easy to get started. 3. Print on demand. Print on demand is a great option if you're creative. Sites like Redbubble and Teespring let you design products, and they handle the production and shipping. You earn a profit on each sale without holding any inventory. 4. Online courses or digital products. Fourth, selling online courses or digital products. If you're an expert in any field, whether it's cooking, coding, or fitness, you can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website. 5. YouTube. Finally, YouTube. Just like this channel, you can create content and monetize it through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is key here. There you have it. The top 5 ways to make money online in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online.